Marami na pong klase ng magic ang nakita nyo ngayong umaga. Pero ngayon naman, punta tayo sa mga inner circle ng ating brain. So, diba? We're gonna go to mentalist magic. Kasama po natin this morning is Magic and Lay.
Yeah, magkakapatid po silang dalawa.
If I'm not mistaken,
Lay
he is the founder
of Story Circle.
One of the
That's right.
founders.
One of the founders.
Sige,
Okay.
before we get to your trick, tell us why. Why Story Circle? How did you guys come together?
We basically just want to do magic. Nagsimula kami doon. Well, we don't want to get into yung politics ng mga groups and everything, bureaucracy. We just want to jam together. Parang banda. Parang banda, no? Music, ganon. We just want to do things together. And nag-pick up yung mga ginagawa namin and nakilala kami unti-unti sa iba pang magic organizations na tumutulong din sa amin.
Gano'n na kayo katagal?
Oo, gano'n
We are more than 3 years old.
More than 3 years.
Pretty much
Yeah,
young.
and growing.
But
we're
the
growing.
numbers
growing.
are over.
What?
We have
200, 300.
over 400, 500
Wow.
members,
Yeah,
local
all over.
and abroad.
Yeah, local and abroad. So it's
Yes.
an international Story Circle.
Right
But anyway, let us...
Mentalism.
Here we have here Magic. She's only 15 years old.
10-year gap.
Oo, kapatid niya si Lay dito.
Yes.
At pangalan niya talaga ay Magic. So Magic,
With a J.
take it away.
Yes. What's your trick?
Mag-i-start tayo sa fork.
Okay.
Kung kanina sinabi nyo, parang first time nyo makamit or hindi seldom makamit ng girl na magician, eto first time nyo na makikita na magician na gagawin tong trick na to.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
ang paano yun?
Isa.
Isa. Pili po kayo na isa. Pick kayo ng isa.
Do I get it now?
No,
Okay.
okay.
Mine's the
Ito
left.
po.
Yeah.
So, sa'yo muna po ito. Makikita nyo kapag igaganto nyo siya. So, basically, ito yung front ng fork.
Okay.
Diba? Kung papansinin nyo, ito yung front, ito. Pag tinignan mo, balik na siya. Pag gano'n na siya, umikot na siya. Yes.
Kaya mo yan? O sige
Yeah.
nga, Isa.
You can have It's a real fork.
I know. Screwdriver, pliers. Okay.
Kaya yun,
Monica?
Monica, is, yan na po.
Ha?
Kahit sino namang tao magagawa po ito. Kahit ganin, ito po, iganunin niyo po ito. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Nakikita niyo, unti-unting nagbe-bend.
I know, it's going towards Monica's finger. Actually, can you do it side view? Yeah, side view. Yan. See? Do you see it bending?
Yes,
It's
and
getting
you see
flat.
Can you please blow?
Ah! Hala, you broke it. No, just kidding.
I'm trying to see if there's a torch in
Yeah.
her finger or something.
Wala.
Pero don't worry, kat nasira siya. Meron pa naman tayo sa pang fork.
Extra
Yes,
fork.
I'm a Girl Scout.
Alright.
Hey, ano,
It's a
man?
real fork. Yes.
It's painful, ah. Okay.
Okay.
So, gawin po natin isa pa. Can you do it like this? And do it like, rub it this, like this. Rub it. And you can focus on your ear. You can see it. It's bending.
I'm
It's
doing
really
magic now.
bending. She's doing magic. See, everyone can do it.
And that was a straight fork when you got it.
Yes.
Talagang trinay, oh.
Ayaw na kayo
wala.
mo. Ako lang yung kaya.
Hindi tumatagal.
Para sa mas visual, there. Ay, subukan nyo nga dyan, kung pwede. Ayaw, diba? Pero kung mas visual, pwede nyo ikanto dito. Titignan nyo siya. Alam niyo yung illusion sa pen, kapag ginaganto, gumagalaw siyang ganyan, diba? Pero, dito sa fork, it's real.
This is mentalist, no?
Mentalism is basically mind over
A mind
matter.
trick.
Yeah.
Mind over matter.
And you bent it with
Yes,
your mind.
With your mind.
I've heard of that also.
Okay, well, anyway, we have
Thank you
some...
very, very
But you
much.
do
I'm
stay
kidding,
with
I'm
us. We
kidding.
have some people, some more mentalists. So, we
you,
have,
Magic
who
and
are
Lay.
they? Who are they called?
We got Homer, actually. CJ
and Kit. TJ and Kit to answer a few more questions about mentalism.
Yes.
Okay, maybe you guys can introduce yourselves.
TJ and Kit.
Who's TJ? Who's Kit?
Hi, good morning. I'm Kit.
Okay.
And I'm TJ.
Okay, and how long have you guys been and you are?
My name is Nomer, the
Nomer,
mentalist.
that's right.
What is mentalism? How do you go about it? I mean, yes, the mind is stronger than what we all perceive, really. Because they say nga, what, we only use 10% or something of the brain?
Mentalism is the art of using your five senses to create the illusion of the sixth sense.
Ah, okay. Technically, hindi ko naintindihan.
Yeah.
It's like this.
Yeah, we're just like, oh, we
use
understand that.
We use psychology, hypnotism, neuro-linguistic programming to achieve this feats. Amazing
Okay.
feats.
TJ and Kit, what branch are you guys into?
Like we know more, I'm into mentalism. I'm more into the use of psychology and NLP to create the
NLP,
illusion of
what's
mind
NLP?
reading. Neuro-linguistic programming.
Neuro-linguistic programming. Oh, I
Okay.
got that. Okay. Sounds very scientific.
I know.
It's a bit of manipulation for people,
And
but
The power of
nothing
suggestion.
visible.
Yeah, how
Yeah,
long?
There you go.
How long have you been working on mentalism?
For me, I'm actually a newcomer. I've been doing mentalism for just a year.
A year,
But
okay.
same as PJ, I'm also into psychology. Sometimes we just look at the behavior of the people. We could suggest things.
Okay, but
something like that.
how long does one take? I mean, can you just like go on the internet and learn about
No.
it?
Basically, basically
is
men-
Static no.
mentalism yung sinasabi nilang last resort of magic. If you're into magic, yung nagiging last resort mo is mentalism.
Because you can't
Parang
learn it on the
you could
internet.
start with card tricks,
Yeah.
blah, blah, blah. And this is like one of the higher branches.
Whether you call it psychic or psychology, I really don't care.
Can you say this is a gift or it can be learned?
It can be learned by any 3-year-old with 15 years of practice, of course.
So 18 ka pa rin, ano ba? Okay.
Would you allow me to demonstrate
Okay,
something?
so
first?
Homer, yeah.
yes. In fact, Homer and I were chatting earlier, diba? You made me draw something.
Yeah.
Okay, sige.
Okay.
So you're thinking of an object in your mind right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Please visualize that object. I can see na nagre-represent siya sa'yo. I can see that you are confused between two things. I have no idea. Maybe you're losing weight. You're preparing for something. You're preparing for something, a big event of your life. Do I make sense here?
He's doing
Let me put some details here.
magdapat.
I'm also getting a name.
Yeah,
A name, a name of a person. No, it's not a name. Parang animal, something. A name of an animal, I don't know. I don't make sense right now, pero what was the drawing in your mind?
Actually, I drew it.
No, that's another. That's
I
another.
just did.
Yeah.
It was of a scale. I'm a Libra.
A scale. You're a Libra.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I wrote something here. Yung sinasabi kong details. I don't know if may sense sa'yo to. I've written something here. Tiger.
He's my fiance.
Really no.
Yes, he's my fiance. Okay, that's weird.
That's
She
weird.
did not
Wait, can I finish?
anything.
Because the thing is, he asked me to draw whatever, and it's a scale.
That's right. Look at that. Ito, dinowing ito ni Isa kanina.
And I hid it in my back pocket.
Yeah,
I had to left my
before
back-
we started our show.
Yeah.
And I was nowhere near you.
And he was nowhere near. And ito ang ginawa ni Nomer.
That's so cool.
Medyo iba yan, ah.
Tiger.
He did. I never mentioned tiger.
No,
Please,
he didn't.
Monica, please look at this.
Okay,
Okay.
The sense that I am getting to you, are you a theater actress or something?
Yes.
Before? Yeah. Yes, kasi parang, hindi ka na masyadong active. Are you into rock music? Yeah, probably, yes.
Yes.
Do I make sense here?
Yeah.
Look at me, please, look at me. Can you hold this for me, Madge? Look at me. I'm getting initials here. I'm getting some initials. 2-letter word. I'm getting initials here. Boy.
Okay.
A boy. Pwede tayong mag-disclose
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, watch.
Holy mother of... I'm not going to...
It looks like M&A, M-A. Look at me. Don't say anything, just look at me. I'm getting 4 syllables here. Mark, Mark Abaya.
Yeah. Yeah, he's my boyfriend.
And it's
Oh my
here.
God, it's
an
here.
A.
That's really freaky.
Okay, that's the
I'm
freaky
freaked
part.
out already. Yeah, that's a freaky magic. Okay, we're gonna have a few more tricks up his arm, but magbabalik po ang chika. We're gonna get over our shock. So So please
I'm
do
to
save your shock. Stay. Wait after the gap. We'll be back. Wow.